Okay, in this lesson, I want to explain invincibility. If you obtain invincibility for a duration, when you hit enemy, you will be safe and all enemy will kill. Okay, I insert that action that I inserted before. And here it is. When you select on it, you can go to settings first. Correct, the collision is correct, and type set it to invincibility. And we have an important thing here, action animation. I told you I want to place it on, for example, as you can see, if I hit that invincibility, we have a duration. We have to set a duration, for example, in a 4 second. We have 4 seconds to go and kill all enemy. We are invincibility in that moment. I explain them. Here, if you hit that invincibility, a sound will be play. I insert already power start. You can click and drag your sound here. This is. Or you can insert end. When the power end, the alert me with this sound. Okay. Okay. Test it. I eat that and I have 4 seconds to kill all enemy. And I finish my invincibility and will die. Okay. As you can see, we have no timer for alerting or that you are finishing your power. Here we can insert and counter. Here you can insert a counter with a 4 frame, 4, 3, 2, 1. Click and drag on an action animation. It is important. It begins from 4. Okay. When you play that, as you can see, it's very fast. You have to set the speed. I experimented that. It is 0.03 is nice. Click anywhere to set that, and as you can see, if you play, we have nice 4, 3, 2, 1. It's nice. Okay, I reduce the speed with 4 frame. This is on counter. This counter have to. I want to here placement. Go to do character. I want to counter above the character and counting down. If you set it replace. If you set it, interesting, strange thing will be happen. If you test it, your animation of your character disappear because you set it on a replace. You have to set it overlay. An important another part, as I said before, it is at the center of your character. If you want to count on above that, you have to make it bigger and going to upper. This is, you imagine that the character is here and go with a little above that. Test it. First, Control S to save your project. When your project become heavy, unfortunately, sometimes buildbox will be crash. Just save it. Test it again. I hit that and the counter will be appear at the above the and as you can see, if you finish, the sound will be play that your power is end in 4 duration. And it is interesting. I have a little camera shape and a little flash. It's interesting because this is a huge power. And test, save it, and test it again. Oh, you can refresh it here. Okay, let's start. Hit that jump. I have 4 seconds to kill all of you, and it's finished. And if I hit one of the enemy, I will die. This is invincibility. You learn how to insert a counter for that. You have to bring it in an action animation. Important it is on a character because I want to move with the character, move it above, from above play here, and of course in the animation behavior set it to overlay, not replace. So you learn benefit of overlay and the character. And insert the sound. When we hit that, play a sound. When we ending our power, play and sound, and the duration 4. And you'll learn how to reduce the speed of counter with that number. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.